Hello, my name is Mike Broyles, and thank you very much for looking at the HandleFix site. HandleFix basically has been a dream of mine for the last 15 years plus. I'm an old construction worker, and I know the value of hand tools. A titanium head hammer costs you over $150, and that's a lot of money to be wasting. So I found out that by using what I call HandleFix on my hand tools years ago, that it really enhanced the lifespan and the strength and durability of my hammers and shovels. Well, I had a crew in LA and I put it on their stuff and it made their stuff last a lot longer, and in turn it saved me money. I didn't have guys getting splinters and whatnot. Well, I always knew that this had potential. I never seen it on the market. So I've went and I got a patent pending status on it, and I tried to pursue it, but at that time I was working and I didn't have the time to do it. I have a team now that can, I believe, get me over the top. I've shown this product around. I took it to a government purchasing agent here in Coos Bay, Oregon, and he told me over the phone before I came in, he said, "Don't be discouraged. We generally don't buy stuff off the street, but I'll look at what you have." I brought it down to him. I had a terrible video, like I said, done in my backyard. And he was so impressed with it, he took a picture of it and he said, "I'm going to pass it along up the line." He said, "But don't be discouraged. Don't be encouraged, because you have no exposure and nobody will know what to look for." So he took the picture and did it anyways. Then he encouraged me to talk to the state of Oregon for the Forestry Service, and the Department of Travel. Well, I talked to them. They said they were interested in the idea, but like I said, I wasn't prepared to take it to the next level. I talked to the number one guy in OSHA for the state of Oregon. He's a blacksmith. He saw what I had. Well, excuse me, he did not see it. I talked to him over the phone, but I described to him what I had, and he told me that they were addressing that problem down there, the sliver prevention, vibration dampening, and the overall safety of the hammer. He said what I had was $1 million idea. Well, I thought, in me being naive, I thought I could contact a hammer manufacturer and they would jump on board. Well, I contacted a couple of them. I don't want to say their names because I don't know if I'd get in trouble for it, because I'm just a little guy trying to do something, a former Marine, just trying to do something. And the point is, one of the manufacturers said they did not like the idea at this particular time, but they wanted to know who my supplier was. Well, that set off a red flag right there. I talked to another major manufacturer. The gentleman told me, he says, "Well, we want tools to break." He said, "But also they were thinking about maybe we should pick this idea up just to shelve it, to keep people from getting it in their hands." So from that standpoint, I know it has viability. I've used it for over 15 years, and my hammers and shovels and whatnot have been extremely durable due to it. Once you get a little bit of damage to it, all you do is you heat it up a little bit, score it, peel it right off, throw another piece on, and you're ready to go. I personally think this is the next big thing in hand tools. The manufacturers, they use all kinds of different things, fiberglass, wood, and whatnot, and resin for their handles. This can protect all those handles. It can go on all of them, and it's replaceable. Uh, Thank you for looking at the website here, and I appreciate your support. And I think this should be the next big thing to hit the market. And thank you very much.